And this looks like an Ainhyzic 1080p dash cam. Let's look at this. A couple of other features: you see motion detection, loop recording, wide range, and then G sensor protection. Let's open this up. So this is the user interface on this. So you got a micro USB slot, micro USB power cord with an extra USB, and then the dash cam holder. And then here is the actual dash cam. This is the actual dash cam. Looks pretty neat. So as we zoom in here, so it's the up button, menu button, and down button with the trans flash card. And then we have the OK, the memory, the lock, and the power. This is the front, wide angle lens. Looks cool.
No, I don't know, I haven't talked to him. But Riverside, this is why I have the dash cam right here.